We're speeding up mechanical fabrication modeling by allowing our trade partners to modify model data with a spreadsheet link. Here we have a list of all of the different sizes for each pipe and duct system in our project, which we exported out of the model. And now our partners are able to specify what the required insulation thickness is for each of these different sizes and systems. Now we can import this data back into our model, and it will add, remove, or modify insulation based on what's in the spreadsheet. If I just click on Import MEP Insulation, it will prompt me to select a spreadsheet, and now the pipes and ducts have insulation applied with a thickness matching that spreadsheet. And if we make any modifications to this spreadsheet data, say we only want this to be 1/2 inch, and maybe for the smaller ones we don't want any insulation at all, which isn't a realistic condition, but just to demonstrate that our spreadsheet is working, we can import this back in, and it's modifying all that data, keeping it in sync with the spreadsheet. Building data links like this allows the appropriate party to access and modify Revit model data regardless of whether or not they use Revit, and do it in a much more quick and efficient way than what's possible otherwise without custom tools.